He stopped everything because a freezing bird needed help.
The little bird was trapped to the metal, frozen solid, scared, and alone. Most people would have driven away. But this man? He chose kindness. He used nothing special, just the warmth from his own hands.
Slowly, gently, he thawed the ice, holding the bird down.
The bird tried to move, but the cold had weakened its tiny body. So he stood there, becoming a shelter with his own body.
After a few minutes, something magical happened.
The ice released, and the little bird finally lifted its head.
But he didn't let it fly yet. First, he made sure it was strong enough.
He gave this tiny life the strength to try again.
A tiny bird, a freezing roof, and a hero with warm hands.
Don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming pet stories every week. Stay calm, stay